Hi, this is Kevin Westerling, editor of Water Online. I'm here at WEFTEC 2011 with Anders Fredriksson, the president of ITT Flygt. Hi, Anders.
Hi.
Anders is going to give us an overview of what ITT Flygt is showcasing here at the show. Go ahead, Anders.
Thank you. Well, our biggest launch this year is what we call Flygt Experior. And Flygt Experior is really a concept name about achieving the highest possible reliability, efficiency and simplicity in a pump station by making sure that the three key functions, the hydraulics, the motors and the controls, all are superior in performance and work seamlessly together. So that's the concept really. And we can take a look at them one by one. And let's start with the hydraulics.
Sounds good.
So what we see here is the one example of the Flygt N technology, Flygt N pump. And the Flygt N technology has been around now for some 10 years and really revolutionized wastewater pumping when it was introduced some 10 years ago. And this shows the latest innovation within the Flygt N technology. It's what we call the adaptive N. And it's really a Flygt N pump where the impeller can move on the shaft up and down. So when a bigger piece of solid is entering the wastewater pump, instead of getting squeezed underneath the impeller is lifting momentarily and allowing the solids to pass through. So it's really an innovation that adds to the features and the functionality of the N hydraulic.
So Anders, you've showed us the hydraulics. What are we looking at now?
This is the second part of Flygt Experior, and that's the electrical motor part. And what's new here is that we are introducing premium efficiency motors up to 105 horsepower. And these motors, like all Flygt motors, have been specifically made for this application. And some of the models also feature a line-started permanent magnet motor technology, which is a first in wastewater pumps. And this line-started permanent magnet technology gives some really unique features. First of all, it supersedes the international premium efficiency standard by up to 4%. And also it maintains its high efficiency when running at reduced speed. So it makes it very suitable to run together with a variable speed drive.
So Anders, I understand there's three key components to the Flygt Experior. Can you show us what we're looking at now?
Yes, that's right. This is the third part, and that is the controls, the intelligent controls. And what we're looking at here is Smart Run, our all-new intelligent control. And what's unique about this one is that today there's typically two types of controls in wastewater pumping stations. It's the conventional on-off controls, simple to use but with limited opportunities to fine-tune the function. And there's variable speed drives that give more fine-tuning possibilities but are more complicated to install and optimize. And with Flygt Smart Run, we're really solving this dilemma by introducing a control that combines the advanced functionality of a drive with a very simple and intuitive interface. And where a number of key functions for wastewater pumping have been pre-programmed and parameters have been preset. So with Flygt Smart Run, the idea is really that you just plug it in and the system will ensure that your wastewater pump station is running in a very reliable and energy efficient way. So those are the three main components of Flygt Experior. It's the hydraulics, it's the motors and it's the controls.
Okay, Anders, now that we've seen the three key components of Flygt Experior, can you tie it together for our viewers?
Yeah, sure. So let me try to summarize based on the values that I talked about initially. On reliability, Flygt Experior offers the highest possible reliability in a wastewater pump station by combining really the best market offerings within hydraulics, motors and controls. And on efficiency, Flygt Experior features together typically deliver a 50% energy reduction compared to a conventional wastewater pump and the standard on-off control. And finally, on simplicity, the system is pre-programmed, parameters have been preset, and it's very simple to use. And all of it comes from one single source, and that is Flygt.
Excellent. Thanks very much for your time, Anders.
Thank you.